So this is our clinic right now. We do have a couple of bats up here right now. I don't think you can really see them. But we are loaded to the gills with birds of prey. We have a great horned owl here. A peregrine falcon here. Another great horned owl here. I don't think you can see this very well. A duck down here. Another great horned owl down here. And again, I don't know how well this is going to turn out because it's pretty dark. We're keeping them in pretty kind of dark, quiet places. Another great horned owl. Another great horned owl. A red-tailed hawk. He's got his back to us right now. Another red-tailed hawk. And another red-tailed hawk. He just came in today as well. And that's just in the clinic. So, just to give you an idea of what all has been coming in. And then some of them have been moved upstairs, and one got moved outside today. So